Hello everyone, welcome to Double Over Astro. And today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I wanted to get on camera to show you another video of traffic ad bar. A traffic ad bar is an traffic exchange where you can be able to climb up the ladder to be able to get more exposure to your affiliate business or whatever you want to promote. And it uses by a ladder scale. So you can see here to my left, this is the placement where I'm at. And as I go to look through these different offers that affiliate markets are promoting, I'd be able to get points for me to move up the ladder. Now, you can get points different types of ways. You can get them one way if you have affiliate code, which I'll show you later in this video, which you can use to market on different other traffic exchanges that you can use to get more views and to get more points up. And you see over here, they have points and they have hits. These are the websites that you see per day. And you can see each placement that you click, you see it for about 10 seconds and then you move up the ladder. So the higher you go up the ladder, the more times your opportunity is seen. Now, right at the top, this is every so often they do a limited time where you get double points. And depending on your level of membership that you're in, that's the amount of points that you get. So you're at the highest level, you get the most points at the highest level. And free points, you get minimal. Okay. But I'm gonna show you right here in the dashboard what I mean. Now you have right here, you see I'm a platinum member, but you can start off as free. You don't have to pay. You can start as a free member, and you got right here, where you earn, per month. And this is just another free way that you can market your opportunities. I'm gonna click on my websites, and this is the affiliate websites that I am promoting. Just waiting for it to load up. And also you get an affiliate link, and you use this affiliate link to promote to get referrals to your traffic ad bar. And you can place that, like if you're doing free marketing as far as like YouTube, you can put this in the description of your videos, and that way people can click and they can also be able to join if they want to join your on your team. So these are all the affiliates. You get up to about 20 advertising websites that you could promote, and you also get 20 banner ads. These are the banner ads that you could promote. So whenever someone that's new coming online, if they going around surfing, they'll see their affiliate link right at the top. And you can they be able to click on it, and then they go to your affiliate link from there. These are all the affiliate links that you can promote. These are the ones that I do have that I promote. I promote other affiliate offers as well. And this is all free. This is all free that I'm using. So when I go back up, you can see everything is on a level ladder. Okay. We click right here so you can be able to see. Click the X. Okay. Dashboard. I'm going to show you how the level ladder looks. This is my level ladder. It shows you like the current points that you have for each opportunity that you click on, and it also shows you like how many extra points that's required for you to move up another level. Okay, as you can see, I'm on level 8. Now the highest level I think is level 17. And the higher you are up on the ladder, that's the more times that your opportunity gonna be able to see. So it's a lot of competitors that's on this site that's reaching to get to that top level. Okay, I'm going right back. You get 10 seconds, you get 25 each time, and you can also go if they send you daily emails where you can click on the email and you can get more points just for surfing on the daily email. And I go deeper to that on another video, but this is the point. So you can get the more points you have, the more you can move up on the ladder. The more hits you have, the more you can move up on the ladder. Okay, so as you see, I'm surfing, and if you see something that catch your eye, you can also see that other affiliate marketers are promoting a product, and if you're something that catches your eye, you can apply for their offer as well. But on the other side, this is what people seeing on your offer when they go through and surf as well. So that's what a traffic exchange is You're seeing other people's opportunities in exchange for yours, and that way you could be able to get points to be able to promote your affiliate link. And it's a lot of affiliate uh, traffic exchanges out there on the market. So you can apply for as many of them as you want, so you can be able to see your opportunities or whatever you have to promote all over. Okay. So this is the lead. You see the placement where you at. These are the hits that you get. People are always hitting on your link as you go. These are the links. You can check out the letter ladder. And like I said before, you want to move, your levels up to higher. See, I got level 8, level 6, level 5, and I still got to be able to um, go forward and, click on different ads so I can be able to move these ladders up. All right. So that's what I wanted to show you. Just a little quick video on what you can do with Traffic Ad Bar. Be sure to, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe to this channel for more tips, tricks, and upcoming videos that I can show you guys so you can be able to learn some of the skills that I do for my affiliate, daily routine. And if you would like to join with me with Traffic Ad Bar so you can start getting your affiliate links that you would like to promote for free, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you click that and you can sign up and join up with me. And I can, if you got any questions, you can reach me on Facebook. Something that you need to know, hit me up on Facebook. I'm always available and, to help you out on your affiliate journey. All right. That's all I have for you today. This is Double O with Astro. I'll see you guys on the next video.